So I want to tell you a story, and this is a story about my friend Jeff. And I met Jeff when I was walking along the beach in Hawaii because I heard this guitar music, and the music was so amazing. I was like, I gotta hear where that's coming from. And I walked back to this little beach bar, and there was this guy playing his guitar, and I started filming him with my phone, and then afterwards started talking, and he wanted the videos. And then we developed this friendship, and now he's created this amazing guitar course, which is great. I'm going through it, I love it. And for me, this is such a wonderful solution because it's so much easier than, and quicker and more inexpensive than having to drive somewhere and go get lessons. And it's a great supplement to that if you are taking lessons in person. But this is an amazing guitar course. I'm super excited that I was able to help Jeff create this and help deliver it to the world. On this page, you're going to find different videos describing this course. So go ahead and watch those videos. But this is, without reservation or hesitation, to me, the best guitar course in the entire world for learning how to play guitar. Jeff's an amazing guitarist. He's well educated. He's an incredible player, and he describes it in a way which is just totally engaging and fun. So I know you're going to love this class. We have total satisfaction guarantee on the course. You have nothing to lose and everything to win by enrolling in the class. So click that buy button and come join us, or look at some of the other videos and then click that buy button and come join us, because we know you're going to have a great time going through this course and learning how to play guitar. We're glad you're here, and we look forward to seeing you in class.